Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was string validators. In this program I will explain the requirement. First, here coming to this program, Python has built-in string validator methods for basic data. It can check if a string is composed of alphabetical characters, alphanumeric characters, digits, etc. Here in this program statement, it states that we can able to use built-in string validation methods like for basic data like alphabetical characters. We can able to check whether the string contains alphabetical characters, alphanumeric characters, digits, like etc. Here they mention some Python inbuilt string validator function. First one is string dot is alpha numeric of, and the second one is string dot is alpha of, third string dot is digit of, and is lower of, is upper of. So basically we need to perform these five string validation function methods in this program requirement. We can check one by one, and here the basic validation for this is alpha number is. This method checks if all the characters of a string are alphanumeric or not. So alphanumeric means the string must contains one of these things. This is A to Z, small a to Z, and capital A to Z. This is end means this is mandatory 0 to 9. So we can small a to Z, capital to Z, any one of the present, that is not problem, and 0 to 9 must be present. And coming to the second one is alpha. This method checks if all the characters of a string are alphabetical or not. So A to Z and capital A to Z must be present because and is present. Here if you can observe here, small a is there, capital A is there, so that it will be true, otherwise it will be mentioned as false. And coming to the string is digit of, whether this string contains numbers, then only it will be written as true, otherwise it will be along with numbers. If any other characters are there, then it will be false. In lower case, we can simply check if the given characters are lower letters or lowercase or not. So only present A to Z. So here A to Z is there, small letters are there. And one thing, we don't have a problem other characters present in the string by validating is lower of. The main criteria is the alphabets are in the lower case or not, and last one is the alphabet bits are uppercase or not. This is the string validation inbuilt methods. And coming to the task, as you know, if you are given a string, your task is to find out if the string has contains these functionalities or not. And simply we need to check if we take any string, that string satisfying these inbuilt string validation functions or not, like that. So coming to the sample input and sample output, here one string is taken in the sample input. This string satisfying above 5 string validation functions or not, that is the main criteria. Here we need to remember one point that is tricky one here. In this first line, print true if S has any alphanumeric characters. Here it mentions any because here it not mentions all, because one of the condition, one of the character present also. Suppose if alphanumeric means combinedly small letter, capital letters or number 3 are present. If one is present also, not a problem, so that means any. And second one is all condition mentions any alphabet characters, not all. So S has any, otherwise it will be written as false. any digits, any lowercase, any uppercase, and any alphabetical characters like that. So I will develop my code here. S equal to input of, I'll read this input like this, and coming to the next line I'll directly print first string validation will be string is all number. So I will write any. So any of the following condition present here accepting also we can print true, otherwise false. Any of for I in C for C in S, here C dot is all num of. Here I am writing the syntax like this for this program requirement. This indicates for C in S means, suppose we see in the S we have QAT. So for every iteration C will take Q, and Q is there in the Q is accepting the alpha number format, and QA combinedly take QA, any one. So any helps here. So first iteration only Q, that Q accepting this validation functionality or not, and second it will take QA combinedly. So like this QA, that QA, and if QA is satisfying or not, here checking whether it is satisfying, it not going to if it is going on also, here mentions any, right? If any one of the first character or combinedly two characters or combinedly enter the string, any one of the thing satisfying this validation rule, then it will be written as true, otherwise it will be written as false. This is the meaning for any in the mentioned in the program requirement. And coming to the next, so I will simply copy this thing and write this 5 times, because I will save time here. I will explain why I am writing like this. We have we need to write code for same for all the string validation function. We can just replace validation names here only. Here is alpha is there, so instead of is all number I will replace here as is alpha, and third one is digit of, and I will replace this as is digit of, and next one is lower of, and after that is upper of, is lower of, and last one is upper of. So in this way I am developing my code simply. Here we need to remember anything. So QAT directly not satisfying all this string validation function present in the as explained as properties following in the string validation function. By using any logic only it will be satisfying whether it is satisfying one character or present in the characters. I hope this understanding. I will run this code. If not understanding, you can ping the doubts in the comment section, or else you can watch multiple times. You can able to understand the requirement. I will try to run this code. So this code is successfully executed all the 5 test cases. In this way we are developing code for any requirement. So please practice programs, then only you can able to write code individually. So thanks for watching. Thank you all.